So gents, ladies, we're gonna look at persuasion tech from Robert Cialdini's book. I'm not just offering psychological tricks, I'm giving you a power that'll change your life. These moves can really control other people, and they'll like it. With these 3 psychological moves, people will act. They'll do what you need, but they'll think it's their choice. Sure, but we know the real story. Let's start with one simple technique that will put the whole world at your feet. The fact is that people think, imagine, and visualize too much. They have habitual associations, and that goes to our advantage. If we take a man with a terrible scar all over his face, we can immediately realize that with women he is clearly not lucky. But if this man tries to meet women outside a flower store, then he will have a better chance of success. And if he has a guitar case in his hands, the chances will increase even more. How it works. Despite the terrible scar, women see a flower store near a man and immediately build pleasant associations between a man with a terrible scar and a gorgeous bouquet of flowers, and a guitar case in his hands causes associations about a romantic evening with music. This works always and everywhere. If you need to sell something expensive, this technique will suit you just fine. When a salesperson quotes a high price, what do we tend to say? That it's expensive, but this technique will allow you to increase the number of sales. You just need to say that magic phrase. When you are asked how much you want for this product, you need to answer, I will not charge you $1 million, but with the discount, this product will cost you $600. Then the person will compare the 2 prices, $1 million and $600, and the price will not seem so great. Even though the $1 million price is said in jest, it works. You can check it out for yourself. If your friend is too stubborn to try something new, like your incredibly spicy homemade hot dog, before offering him something new, ask him a simple question. Friend, do you consider yourself adventurous? If he answered yes, you can safely offer him your culinary masterpiece. Rest assured, after that he will definitely agree. This is the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel, give a like, subscribe to notifications.